Petty Fam.
Hey, Petty Fam.
We're doing
surprising my boyfriend with a huge gift for his birthday. Royal family.
Let's get into it. Oh, I thought he was crying.
It might be.
No, she covering his face.
Wow. That's a surprise reaction you want.
Absolutely.
Oh, they went to dinner.
Oh, nice dinner.
Oh, queen.
Queen.
What's up, royal family? It is probably 12 midnight right now. We just got back from dinner. We are about to go to the Airbnb and party. Party it on up.
40.
First of all, let's show off your outfit because they didn't see it in the last vlog.
I think
You got
it's
the
you.
Okay,
Prada
shoes.
products, you feel me? Nylon. And you got the blue. You look, you crippin' out here, G.
Oh, look at my chain. Shout out
Oh yeah.
boy Just.
Look at that. Look at that. Dang, that's the big boy right here. Them diamonds.
Come on.
Hold on, wait.
Can't leave the house without security.
Oh my God, wait, just turn. Oh my Lord.
Yeah, show me that buckle though.
Dang.
Let me show you the buckle. Let me show you that. Show me that buckle.
Oh, that's a Dior buckle. I see
on.
it's right here.
And I got that bag too. with the clip.
Dang. Ooh, look at my nails next to that.
Crazy.
Yes. How was dinner? Did you like dinner?
It was good. The food was fire. They
How
took
you
all
feeling?
the-
How you feeling so far on your birthday? You feeling good?
So good.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Wonderful.
I wore the Prada boots that he bought me for my, but I ain't gonna lie, my feet hurting. So
Oh.
I'm gonna bring some pajamas to the Airbnb and we're gonna party on up. You guys, it might get a little faded tonight.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
The whole 42 dropped. So we gotta call an audible.
The Christmas tree is still not like we don't know what to do with this Christmas tree. We need help. But when it lights up, it's cute. It's a cute Christmas tree. Oh, we got the Malibu boo.
Hey.
Family friendly channel. How you feeling, Lee? You getting messed up tonight?
No.
Yes, you are. Oh, look at that right there. Look at that one busting. You hold on, wait a minute. Do you guys remember mine?
Yeah, that's cute,
He's responsible
girl.
for that too.
He's responsible for that. This guy right here.
Oh, this guy right here.
Yeah, he be providing drip drip. Oh, hold on, Lee. I forgot. Yo, look at Lee.
Oh, don't leave Lee out.
I just want to be like my
Hold on, this
brother.
one.
I don't know. Yours is busted more than mine. First of all, don't be trying to get yourself free shout outs on the Royal Family channel because we know y'all was talking junk about us.
What they say?
No, y'all was talking junk about us. Y'all don't even vlog that much. Are y'all doing Vlogmas? I don't think so.
Oh, wow.
She calls y'all out.
All I'm saying is P.O. got the same clip as Clarence. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
Wow, Petty.
I didn't mean to call.
Ah.
The candle in the water has to be the new way.
Y'all remember that infamous tub?
Oh, yeah.
That other video. Tub just like that.
Right.
Look, we got chocolate, strawberries and all that.
Ew.
Look good. Ooh, yeah, get the chocolate. Look good. I'm gonna come back for some.
Oh, the
Aw.
pictures. She went all out. Rose petals and candles.
Look, happy birthday.
Rose petals in the tub.
Okay. Weed right here. We got Farfetch, some Amiris up here. A PS5 controller. You know what I'm saying? We got some stuff.
Money in the back.
You guys here, Tim.
Yeah. Happy
Birthday
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha, cha, cha.
Happy birthday, dear. Come on, Queen.
Happy birthday to you.
Sing to your man, girl.
Right.
I forgot the other one at home. And it was hard to lot of things, so that's one thing. I'm saying. I hope you like it. Huh? It's a jacket.
Oh, this is Thang.
It feels?
Drip.
Drip, drip.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Cute.
See that motherfucker?
You're not gonna be cold this winter.
Right.
We ain't got your back.
Okay.
Dang, I feel so bad. I left the other room at the house. I forgot.
Oh, she acting.
Oh, okay.
You got the hands to go to it, babe.
Oh, damn.
Got an outfit.
You gotta go outside.
He like, why must I go outside? Ha ha ha.
Nigga.
You have to go outside.
So why you go outside?
Why you sweating?
I feel like niggas know something.
Look,
That's when he your
right.
friend. He happier than you are at this moment.
Turn around. Close your eyes. I wish you had a blindfold.
There's only one reason why we should be going outside.
Uh-oh.
Now keep walking, watch your step, watch your step.
I can't see though.
Watch your step, watch your step.
Y'all gonna make it fall. You don't hear that? Sound like a thunderstorm.
Look at his face.
It's yours.
He look like a little kid.
He do.
Wow.
Look at it.
This is my room? You approved of this? I didn't have a choice.
Look at the headrest.
Look at the headrest before you get in. Oh, you black and clean like Mr. B. Boy, go Corvette.
Corvette.
Corvette. Shit. It's on. Just tap it. Nigga said it's on. Yes, sir. See? Oh my God. This is big, man. This is what life is turning into. It's definitely gets the Birkin, mom. Time to wild out.
You don't gotta wild out.
Yo, that's OD.
Got the tinted windows, the wrap on the top.
It's the drop top. It's the drop top. Don't say it's a drop top.
that dance, Claire.
We doing that with the red interior though.
I just love the fact that it says
I
COW.
don't want to go inside.
We gonna sleep in there.
I'm sorry, I'm still like that.
I'll probably cry a little later.
Oh, he gonna cry in the Corvette. It's all right, boy.
You want me to call the camera?
Not because you gave me a car. You know what I mean? It's just like we work really hard. Like we work hard. We don't really like, you know. Just kind of lets me know I'm doing something right. We're doing
Did
something.
Lee cut off the car?
Nah, I think that was, I don't know. My car just cut off.
Look, he like starting it up.
Right.
It was on the cake. We're gonna take a little time, right? Yeah. Good morning, Beast.
Good morning.
You ready to go?
Boy,
Always ready.
Did you like your stay here?
Chicago shirt on.
Chicago Bears.
What we got planned for today? Shoot, driving the C8 around. This was such a nice Airbnb. No one slept in here. That's the crazy part. Got that. This
Is that a payphone or something?
That's what I
This is what
thought.
we slept in.
That's cool.
Yep.
It was so nice, y'all. Crazy thing is though, we didn't even get in this tub.
Aw.
We only got in the shower. But it's such a nice place. Big old mirror. So I'm going home. Extra a mess. Okay, there was a room here. Someone was in here. This was Beast's room.
Beast.
And I think the girls are upstairs. Let me see where they are. Hey girls. You look cute. Y'all getting ready? We getting ready to go? Yeah. Why you change your outfit so much? You look good. Hey, girl. You like the food, babe? You're making a mimosa.
I didn't eat it, girl.
Oh, you didn't eat it? But it has some mimosas. Well, not me. Everyone else. So far, I'm eating my food. So, y'all, we had a very fun-filled week. Feels like the weekend. We're about to leave this beautiful Airbnb. It was such a nice place. Kind of reminds me of like our place, only a lot more spacious. I cannot wait till we build our house, y'all.
Right.
And oh yeah, we gotta buy that land too. So I can't wait till we build our house. I love like how spacious this whole thing is. Babe, did you have a great weekend/week? So his birthday was a success.
He's
Okay,
still
would you
overwhelmed.
say this year was just as good as last year?
Oh, a lot better.
It was better?
Yeah.
So I got better?
Don't be trying to.
Okay, besides.
Don't be trying to take the humble approach right now. I know I feel what you're saying.
The birthday
But
dinner, the Airbnb.
Outside.
Yeah, C8 outside. Let's go look at that real quick. In the C8. I haven't even rode in it.
Want to show them that?
I'm gonna ride in it. I'm excited. Look at that baby right there. Oh my lord, so beautiful. All right, y'all, we are back home. And we came back home to a surprise. Our babysitter/assistant put up our Christmas
Oh,
tree.
nice. She did a great
And it was
job.
so nice. She put all the balls on there almost.
She did all
She
that
put
while
3 in
watching the
container.
kids. Girl,
Right.
give her a raise.
She need a raise.
So tonight, oh look at the Christmas tree in the back.
That look
I love it.
nice.
Tonight we are about to do some, well, I'm gonna do some videos on my channel with the girls.
Good
We're gonna do
job.
some videos for each other's channels. And, we're gonna make some cookies and stuff. We got some pajamas, some matching pajamas and stuff. Hey, CJ, what kind of car do Clarence got?
CJ know the dance.
She know all of this.
Clare Bear, I like your Lamborghini. And Joe was like, it's not a Lamborghini, it's a Corvette. He said, Corvette. I need to learn how to do that, y'all. But we about to end this vlog. Come on, babe. End it with me.
Okay.
What you want to say to them before you
Man,
go?
thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. Really do.
You're welcome. Happy birthday again.
You know what I'm saying? Thank you, the Queen, for making this special day happen.
Aww.
You know what I'm saying? 27 about to be litty.
Let's go. All right, we out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Dodo Squad.